We'll guide you through how to make dots border in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu opens, look for Google Chrome by typing its name into the search bar and launch Google Chrome on your computer from the search results. After the browser loads completely, click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From a search results page, click on the official Figma website to continue. Before proceeding, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access your projects and editing tools. After signing in successfully, the Figma main page will load in your browser. To make a dots border in Figma, start by opening one of your recent projects from a dashboard. Click the desired project, and the edit page of your project will open on the screen. Once the canvas is visible, locate the rectangle tool in the toolbar and click it. Move your cursor to the area surrounding your text and draw a rectangle by clicking, holding, and dragging until the shape reaches the size you want. Release the mouse button to complete the rectangle. With the shape selected, move to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen and locate the Fill section. Click on the color square underneath the Fill label to open the Color Picker window. Within the color settings, find a transparency control and drag it to the left until it reaches 0%. This will make the rectangle fill completely transparent while allowing the border to remain visible. Next, locate the Strokes section in the Properties panel and enable it if necessary. After that, click Advanced Stroke Settings to access additional border customization options. In the Advanced Settings panel, find the stroke style option and change it from the default solid line to dashed. Once the dash style is applied, the border will immediately display a series of separated marks around the rectangle. To create a dotted appearance, adjust the dash value according to your preference. Smaller dash values generally create dots or shorter marks, while larger values produce longer dashes.